done, and I would have with my stop loss. That's actually what the fuck I should have done, bro. Oh, that's actually what I should have done. Just let it like run with my stop loss, bro. In the fivers prop. All right, we had actually gotten to the profit growth to pass stage two, and then we had a couple profitable days left that we needed to hit. I think it's pretty stupid, but it's what they require. Unfortunately, our last two trades were losers, and we just need to make so we didn't need to make anything. We need to make 125 per day, right? We took two losers, one loser, and then others trying to make it back. Honestly, this first loss I deserved. Deserved. Mm, no, no, no. This first loss I didn't deserve. This first loss was just a wash. The second one I deserved, because like I kind of wasn't prepared for that trade at all. Um, I was a bit too lapsed. Um, but so it goes. Anyways, today we're trying not to lose more than 600. So that means like $300 per trade, 250, $300 per trade. Trying to get like maybe 2 or 3 trades in. So if I had to do 300 by 3, it's like 600. It'd be like $200 per trade. Um, my hope is that I can make back not even make back, but if I can make the 125 times 2, that is 250. I can make 250 and then 250. That's like a good steady pace to hit the profit goal. Obviously, if I can make more, I'll make more. I'll let it run. But if I hit so I need to make 200, 300, like 400 for this to be a profit day, and then which is fine, like 400 is fine. That's like 2 hours from 200, so I can pretty much hit 200, 250, and yeah, I try to trade pretty much like how I typically trade. Market opening in 30 minutes. Um, Market's kind of shrugged off, any kind of like FUD related to Iran, but it really doesn't really want to hear much. So it's been pretty confusing. Just want to check something real quick. So it was double checking that because I'm in a different time zone, different holidays, etc. Today my plan is kind of just let the market tell me like what it wants to do. Obviously last night it kind of gave a bit of an indication that it doesn't really care to like, you know, go down. But that doesn't necessarily mean that's what we'll get today. Um, Trump had his headlines that he's planning to do tomorrow or whatever. I mean, in theory, it should affect the market, but market kind of just shrugged off everything. Let's see the one big key level that we have here is 24 flat. All right. Just check my overnight highs, overnight lows real quick. I'm gonna call overnight lows here. 24.8. 24, I'm gonna call it 24.8. The stocks like every European logos. Could be like anything sub 24, like 24 and 23.9. Um, so if we could get like a liquidity sweep like at 24.8, at 24.9, and then like a reversal, that would be a pretty good move to be a part of if we're thinking about longs. To think about shorts, if we get up to so guys, get above like 24.2, we start to stall out. Maybe a decent opportunity. Also, there is this like nice resistance here actually. Right, so you can see here above like 24.350, above 24.3. We start clearing above 24.3. We struggling there. We look like on many new highs. We can be bullish. So above 24.3, probably gonna be bullish. Below 24. 9, but 24.8, you probably want to be bearish, but at the same time, you want to look for that like liquidity sweep down there at like 24.8. So that's something, but at the same time, again, it's just, trying to get in like, that one to two, to three good scalps before, like 12 o'clock. You know what I mean? So it's just, watching the price, looking what direction price decides I want to do, looking if it's too choppy to play. We do some quick risk calculation here. My thing. Like 100 points would be about to do. Yeah, you can't really lose like a max of 600. Market opening in about 4 minutes. It kind of honestly look like it could have gotten up some players, but trying not to distract. Today's such a confusing day. I'm trying not to um distract myself too much. My price action there actually is time. I'll create a time. Market opening in 3 minutes. Again, guys, if we pass, well, I mean, there's no passing today, but obviously, like the profit goal, I think the profit target is 26. 125, I believe. 125. 26, 250. Quite a bit off here, so by 200, by 500. And we just need like, maybe it's a profit day, like maybe like 300-400. So anything above like 300-400, I'm happy with, just because I can make the next $300 the next day, whereas like that's the day where I have to take risk. If it's a day where I think I'm seeing the price clearly, I will keep playing. And it's a more easy day. I'll keep playing, with the increments like 200, and stuff like that. Um, just to give me that extra buffer, in price in case tomorrow it's a shittier day and it's harder to do. Um, yeah, just do our best. We can't control. You can only control like what you control. You can only do your best, and then the rest is, you know, rest is up to the powers that be. Right now, looking like it wants to still at um at the 24 level, which would make a lot of sense honestly. Market opening in 30 seconds. See if I can get it. Shit to the shit. In 30 seconds, just look at this. I don't even have time for it. Can see each other. 5 seconds after me here, look at it. Alright, so we have initial up move 24. Looking strong. Again, that level we'll be looking at would be like this. So overnight high here, 24.2, 24.3. And know what it wants to do. But 24 flat is like chop level. 24 flat is like, okay, like, we plan to do nothing. We're just kind of hanging out there. Check, see if there's any news. Coming 2 minutes into market open. Nope, we do have ISM coming in 30 minutes and Trump in at 12 o'clock. So, this news keeps your price uncertain. That's exactly what it looks like to me, uncertain. Me right now, I kind of be looking for like maybe like breakout above the level, the field breakout, followed by the reversal. To me, price just looks really uncertain. Two at 24-2 here. Kind of looking for the field breakout here for a play with the reversal back to 24 par, to be honest. That would be my play. Looks like I'm missing it. Honestly, the price action hasn't been bad. It hasn't been bad. Considering I almost called those back to back rings. This looks like it's failing to me. 30 minutes for some news. Yeah, that looked like it could have been a play. I think this is a play. Kind of just weird. Like if it can take off, like, or even if it comes and stalls there for a little bit, because remember we have this resistance here. It's kind of like the play. So it depends. I mean, based on like how it looks right now to me, it looks moderately bullish, but never know, bro. Seems to me like it's feeling off this level. New York somewhat going against the grain here, but I think the price is super weak. Feeling off here. Wow. It's gonna add to that there. Call it, a 300 trade. Ooh, shit. Let's set my stop here to 200. Hope we get something here coming. 300. 500. I'm gonna take that off right here. That's a good play. It's a good play. A good slap to the downside. And we could have let it run. I could have let it run and I would have with my stop loss. That's actually what the fuck I should have done, bro. Oh, that's actually what I should have done. Just let it like run with my stop loss, bro. That's actually what I should have done, but it's easy to say real time. I didn't think I could like move my stop quick enough, bro. Fuck. I really fuck. Oh, gross. But the ads were so good. Dude, it's amazing to me like how much it's my ads often that are like, giving me like that real edge, bro. Like really, 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 really. I think that was a pretty clinical play. It's pissing me off because like if it was my normal trading, like I need to create like some key binds to like, dude, that's definitely a thing. I need to create like some key binds to like represent like 1 hour, 2 hour, like, or like some fixed levels of like risk because I definitely would have done that a while ago. I don't even know where I sold. I don't know where I sold 511, so not bad. Not bad. Or if the ads were a bit more perfect, I'd have been happier to keep it. Um, so, dude, we're at the profit goal. At the profit goal, this technically counts as a profitable day. There's like nothing more you can ask for. I'll keep playing, but with like a smaller amount, only because if I think I see price, or maybe I'll swap to maybe a software demo account. But that was a pretty clinical play. You know, that's a pretty clinical play that would like allow us to pass here. You know what I mean? Like just having, you know, that level in mind, having the market tell it to us, you know, and that was pretty clean, you know, for like what we're looking for. So um now I kind of want to, so I know I have no choice but to swap over to like a demo account. Mm, I want to swap over here. You could play a slap here. You could like wait for maybe like come back at the level and just play for a slap there again. 100 here. All right, that's our next one. A bit of a risk here. You want to make sure. So I'd wait until it starts heading down because like the trend for the day has determined itself. Stalling out there at like 230. You have to be sure. So it like in actuality it is probably better to like wait and then like use the top level as like your risk. Because the reason being is because it's already kind of started making its move up. Yeah, and I think that's pretty okay. Yeah, come on, bro. I was like waiting for it to give me like a 1 minute like green, red at like a star like level. It's what I would have like hoped for more. 1660 there half point. Already half up like half far from that level. Yeah, that's it. I think this comes back to like 24 par, I think, till like till whatever. Or maybe it just runs till like this 9 o'clock and then it does whatever it wants to. I mean, our accuracy, like in terms of like playable things, wasn't terrible in terms of like how fucked we'd get. It's not been terrible. Like a 5 minute, like a 5 minute grade would have been really good. I think that's it. I think it's stuck right out. It's patience. I think that's it. Right? Was that impatient there? That's our 1 minute rate. Breaks the high, probably in trouble. Like it wants to hold. So just into this is a 3 yard trade. Come on, David. Hold. See if he can give me a 5 minute rate. It's not working after 5 minutes. Yeah, so maybe not break up. resistance is just there for everybody to see, right? Is it like it's like crystal clear resistance? Come on, baby. Come on, bro. Like, blah. Feel I'm sure we have 5 minute break. Mm. Let's be objective. Stay on the objective. Let's try to be objective. I mean, it's creeping up, but it's it struggles. Not without its struggles, but it is creeping up. The trend is technically up. So maybe you wanna like wait for a 5 minute read. That's your ad. Right up there. That would have been my ad. Fuck. Also, so my patience will keep her. So my patience is so key. Eh, fuck. This should be like where I'm not taking it. I fucked up. Come on. 5 minute ending in 2 minutes. Shit. It's looking resilient. It's looking resilient. Probably because I'm this high, I probably fucked, which is like my. Ah, there we go. This should have really been where the ad came in. Like, there would have been like the hammer ad. And then, but I also kind of fucked up because this now is like a pullback, whereas I would have been, if I had like been patient, if I had been patient, I'd have been able, I'd have been like up like either, I'd have been either like break even or up like 1 hour. That's why like the patience so important. And I knew the patient should have came. The reason why the patient should have came there and not just like after the initial struggles because like we were already clear of the first couple of minutes, right? Therefore, the longer term traders should have been taking priority in the 5 minute guys. I mean, if you, especially if you can close here up below with this in this next 1 minute, 1 minute after this below this level, I should be safe. I should be safe. Come on, baby. Come on. So patience so important, blood. Could have given me hell, because look at this pick. Giving me hell. How? I think it's probably end up being a phenomenal trade. Probably ends up being a phenomenal trade. Come on, alright, so that's the 5 minute bar. Come on, bro. Give us a rate, bro. Ain't no fuck nigga shit, bro. Come on, bro. If I'm wrong, I'm just wrong. Like like the trade, like the thesis on it would be wrong. It probably just stays up there, does what it wants to do. probably know within the first like 2 3 minutes of this 5 minute can move. So by like 57, 58, I probably know. All right, let's go. Shit, news in 4 minutes. I don't think I have time for this day then. Fuck. Oh, and it's probably gonna be British news. I probably should have taken the exit. It keeps rising there. I'm just gonna jump out because news and come on, give us a little. Give me a flush, a flush, a flush. Uh, can't risk it on news with this kind of action. I take the loss. I feel like it probably go down, but I just, now I take the like gap risk on news. It's annoying, bro. Should I take this and just walk? Okay, just continue, bro. This is where like sometimes where that extra patience matters, bro. Like it could have been like a 1 hour trade, or at least a small profit as opposed to a loss. Um, let's see. Probably news takes it higher and it takes us back. Yes, shit, bro. It's kind of crazy too. This was a good play, like like the opposite of like my play really. But my play was a good play too, but just seeing the chop, but like also this 2 minute like back to back was a crazy one. Not quite sure like I mean it would have been hard to hold just look at those wicks, but if you had used the 2 minute, it could have been a good play. Um, and it's over 9 highs here. 2 minutes to use. Can use the rest of the day to study or practice. Then tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow we just need a little profit, bro. A little profit. Yes, bro. 100% still the news event, but regardless of whatever the fuck it's saying, 40 seconds. I just wanted to continue upon that. So it's not awful, but not great. Patience, bro. Patience. That's news, I think. Yep, I think this is the slap. I think this is the slap. Like a double. Oh, bro. Shit, I'm too wildly, bro. Bumbo man. Sure. Chacha. We'll see. Yo, can break even this probably. Come on, give me, run me out, run me out, bro, run me out. Nobody with no fuck shit. No fuck nigga shit. No fuck nigga shit. Please, please. Come on, bro. Super risk like what me just do a while ago. But come on, bro. Like, give Papi this. Please. Nice, 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 nice.
Playing from desktop.
Nice, nice, nice. Stop loss. Can probably bring up to 100. Or at least break even. Can break even that. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, Papi. Come on. Runs on to 24 flat. Right, so that's 1 hour, that's 2 hour, can trail that out. Probably like willing to exit at 100. Come on. I feel like if you get this the room we need. Get this the room we need, bro. 250 that. Come on, bro. Willing for like X 200. Come on, Papi. Slightly up to 50. And it's holding. Come on, bro. Stop holding, bro. Fuck off, bro. Just run. Jesus Christ. Price action here is a bit weird, I'm not gonna lie. Price action here is a bit weird. Price action here, a bit weird. Come on, bro. Feed it, feed it, feed it. Willing to make this run. Come on, give me one. Give me back to back. Back to backs. Back to backs. Come on, bro. What I do? What I do? Come on, bro. Resistance. You can see it's like it want. You can see like it wanted to go up, bro, but the selling pressure is just there, my nigga, for real. See that. Willing to cover 2 hour just based off of like how me see the price will go. 1 hour for sure. Like 1 hour for sure. My reactions they were fairly decent, fairly quick. I was lucky not to just get immediately wicked out. Um this year will be a good profit, but sometimes I just want big shit run, bro. Willing to exit 200. Come on, bro. Beautiful stuff here. Beautiful, beautiful stuff here. Well, if you take profit there, but sometimes if you just relax your blood clot self, you know it when you see it. You will know it when you see it. The mean reversion here is strong, it's good. This is a good mean reversion here. 24-1, 24-150. Looking at 24-2. There's 24-2. It's 200. Alright. This is just proper housekeeping here. This is just proper housekeeping. Again, I try to get as much room as I can, bro. As much room as I can. Up 500. Willing to hold. Come on, bro. Please, 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 please. Willing to exit 400 here. 300. 200 here is good. Good lock in. so they just take the one more club money, you know, right? Oh, I remember this feeling of like having to hold through multiple like layers of pain, bro. Sometimes you have to just do that to get like what you really are, you know, this meant to get, bro. Up 500, bro. Come on. Come on. Give me a nice sexy flush, puppy. I know that 5 minute, I'm a lucky 5 minute. Come on. Come on. Know that 5 minute, hey, really, I squeeze them, you fuck. I squeeze them, you fuck. Willing for lucky in 400 year. The pain, bro, the pain, me not lie. Pain, me I feel it, me I feel pain. More clever. Yo. Pain. Chill. Man, I know this can be made good for no 5 minutes. Come in, not like, no bother with that. No bother with that. Mm, 400 is still good profit. I can, don't be too wild. It's 400 anyways. Move this, move this. I mean, OPS I'm probably wrong. OPS I'm probably wrong. So I'm waiting for that 300. Come on, bro. Come on. Gotta put that one nice thrush. Come on. This thing I struggle, bro. Struggle. Come on. What's the low here? Low here. 24, 120. Looking for this nice flash though if we can get it. Mm. Here's support. 160. Which should be your 400. It's literally the little room is literally quiet, and I think it's the same thing like with stock market. It's quiet. Come on, come on. PN. Looking true here. Not bad considering there's 200. I get the five, but sometimes I feel like really don't you got move. Wow. Come on, bro. Give me a break, 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 bro. It's a 5 minute here. 15 seconds on this 5 minute, bro. Come on. Uh, come on, bro. What's the 15 minute? 5 minutes on the 15 minute. If the 15 minute, you don't want to run like the next 5 minutes, bro. Seem like it all work, but mm, come on, bro. Come on. Nice. Nice. Top of them, there should be a monk. Nice. 350. Should be able to lock in tree. Please. Still struggling here at this 150 level. Let me see, it's like in this 15 minutes. Really, really struggling here to the degree where I'm willing to just lock in 400 because you really should just go. Willing to X 400 here. Nice, come on. Come on, come on, come on. No, not like that, not like that. Real struggles here. We feel like with the exit. Struggle is real. 450. Come on. It's never one. Give me all the squeeze, boy. I mean, so what on a standard, I mean, this probably here like a bit of off the shift. If it come back up, you can probably get it for like play. This is thing with shorting, right? Shorting, like you get like the pullbacks are just so deep, bro. So deep. It's just almost like harder, almost impossible to just like hold it. Because I guess like the price, you can say like price action slowed down. You probably get like a week, blah blah blah. All this fuckery, bro. And it was just like, man, in terms of like a lucky, not a bad profit lucky. The stats probably like equal around like risking 200 in 2 hours. So it's a solid 2 hour. Um, nothing to really bitch about. Nothing to bitch about. It would have been obviously nicer to have the 500. Obviously, lovely to have the 1,000. But this is the new reality. We need a few minutes. I was quick enough to play, but there was a bit of luck there, like not getting immediately stopped out. Mm, yeah. I mean, you could have been both sides here and gotten away with it. My bias here today was just happened to be paying a good dividends. Yeah, I feel like the 15 minutes should have like, if you really want to flush, I feel like the 15 minutes should have like flushed it. So this to me feel like some level of some sort of like equilibrium. But when you say that and then you see these like crazy flashes, bro, crazy, crazy. And it had been super hard to like, where's the first crash? To me, it kind of feels more like we've kind of, it's just nine, it's just like 30, 40 minutes since market open. Trend seems over in a very lethal way, because even this year, like, which I guess was the very first move that I played. Even this year, which was like the very first move that I played, like, I can't even see it. Like, meaning that this, like, happened so quick that I didn't even register, and like, oh, that would make sense, but see, 35. Yeah, there is just like a gap there, which is insane. Um, um, seems really good amount of action there in the first 45 minutes. Mm, not really necessary for me to like do much more. You know what I mean? Like on both accounts, we did what we were supposed to do. Um, Unfortunately, I had to take this very first L. Yeah. So, yeah, but overall, still decent profit. You know, you look at 200 profit and made it. Um, a lot of my edge comes from like just where I decide to like add, and that comes from like getting the market tell me where to add. I don't want to get carried away with that, but just something of note. My biggest mistake here was not being patient enough for the break at this level, which I knew would come. But to be fair, it also didn't really go. And I don't know if I would have like just exited that. Maybe a break. Yeah, maybe I'd have exited that break even. Price seems like it's dripping up, but it's slowed. Yeah, this was my play here. The rest of it was slow.